Alright guys, if you have this kind of problem here, take it easy boy. You push the button, alright? You see, you don't go down guy. Don't got it guy. Only you need a screwdriver, right? Flat. Alright. Look, it has one sensor here. You know better than me. Another 25-cent sensor here. Alright. There are two wires there. You see how flashing this light there? That means the both cable hook it up good guy. Right here the problem guy. Alright, you see light, no flashing, right? You see very tiny cable there? You see? It's not connecting to the sensor guy. That's the problem guy. Don't worry. You just need a screwdriver here. Attaching the harness back to the sensor. That's the problem guy. Alright, you might need a blade to peel a little bit the cable, right guy? Don't worry, this is easy to fix it guy. You need a blade and a screwdriver, that's all you need a guy. And grease all this line here, alright? Okay, look, that's what you need to do with the blade, alright? You connect it back here. Alright? Alright guys, you see the light now? That means the sensor has the negative and the positive, alright? Very easy guy. Now you know next time you have trouble with this lead don't come down, check out the 25-cent sensor guy. Alright? Because most of the time the problem right there, when you have chicken, you have pig, you have cow, rainer, this thing is like a plastic, nothing. Alright? Alright guys, you always, you pay monthly thing. Look, you should have this, the grease, you can buy this on Amazon for 10 bucks. Alright, you buy the grease, the two for 5 bucks, you have 15 bucks. It's very important to have guy. Alright, you do this at least every 6 months guy. Alright, this lady can do this job guy. Look, this is extremely important guy. Alright, look, you go there, you prevent damage guy. Alright, don't touch with your finger because you need a thinner to clean it up, alright? Now you know guys, look, the light is on now. See guys? Good. That's the way it's supposed to be guys. You just touch, you gotta go down, gotta go up. You know how to hold it, but remember before you had to hold the button here in order to come down, alright? Now you know guys. You can fix this problem in 2 minutes, right guys? Do it yourself. Alright. Very simple guys. Right there, you pay attention. This light has to be on. And the other one, the other side gotta be on too, right? Alright guys?